In the vibrant heart of Kingston, 20-year-old illusionist Andrew had always been captivated by the mystical stories passed down through generations. But tonight, his curiosity would lead him beyond mere tricks and into the realm of the unknown. As the sun dipped below the blue mountains, Andrew set up his stage on a quiet street corner, ready to perform his signature illusions. Yet, amidst the usual crowd of curious locals, he noticed an unusual shimmer in the air, like a ghostly aurora weaving through the humid Jamaican night. Intrigued, he focused his attention on the glow, realizing it pulsed with an otherworldly energy. Suddenly, the shimmering light coalesced into a translucent figure, a spectral entity draped in ancient Jamaican garb, eyes glowing with a strange, greenish hue. The spirit spoke in a voice both chilling and familiar. "Andrew, you possess a gift, one that bridges worlds. But beware, for the veil between reality and the paranormal is thin." Startled but fascinated, Andrew watched as the spirit revealed visions of a hidden realm just beyond human perception, an island of spirits, anomalies, and alien energies that lurked beneath Jamaica's lush surface. The spirit warned him that a dark force, a parasitic entity from the depths of the universe, had begun to seep into their world, feeding on fear and chaos. With a sudden surge of courage, Andrew realized his illusions could be more than entertainment. They could serve as a shield. Channeling the ghost's energy, he conjured illusions of spectral guardians, creating a barrier that pushed back the creeping darkness. The shimmering spirit nodded approvingly before dissolving into a burst of light, leaving Andrew with a newfound purpose. As dawn approached, the street returned to normal, but Andrew knew the paranormal had become a part of his reality. From that night on, he vowed to use his skills, not just to amaze, but to protect Jamaica from the unseen forces lurking in the shadows, becoming a young illusionist with a supernatural destiny.